mini monster truck driver driven by Wayne Towing and Recovery. That's right, Bert. Here I am with the Wayne's Towing and Recovery mini monster truck drivers. First of all, Bert, can you hear me up there, bro? Good deal. All right, well, we're going to start ladies first with the lovely young lady who's making her first full-time season in these monster trucks. Allie, first of all, how awesome is this? First of all, how did you get to start in these monster trucks?
So my family has been involved in this for several years, and I just never really wanted to do it. But then one day I met Kinsley, and then she convinced me, and since then I've loved doing this.
That is so cool, meeting a teammate out there. Here's competitors on the track. Talk about it. Now, here's the thing. There's a lot of lovely ladies out there that are cheering you guys on. How cool is it representing for all the girls out there?
It's great. I find it really fun that me and Kinsley get to prove to all the boys that this isn't just a men-based sport and that girls can do it too.
Yeah! Awesome. Now, I know you are newer to competition. This is your first full-time season, but I also know that you're not afraid to get on that lava pedal. So what kind of things do you have planned for all these fans out here in Fishersville today?
Well, it really just depends, but if I'm allowed to, I might be going off the van, as long as I don't break my truck too much.
This is why you and I are friends. That's awesome. Going up the van stack, that is so cool. Monster, who wants to see a mini hit a van stack? How about it? One more time, Monster Truck fans, for Alien Pretty Renegade. Now, let's talk to the driver of Lady Luck, the lovely Miss Kinsley. Kinsley, first of all, you were telling me earlier this is a special place for you. Why? What's going on? A special place here in Fishersville?
Yes, this is a very special track. My grandpa, he won a Grand National on this track. My dad, he's won several pools on this track. I'm the third generation, and tonight I'm going to go out here because I have someone in heaven to make proud.
That is awesome. Coming out here with Avengers, coming out here with a purpose, rocking the house. Your hometown crowd out here, your friends, your family, your sponsors in the stands. How awesome is it to run for them, and what kind of things can they expect out of Lady Luck today?
You know, Corbin, it's just the best experience to compete in front of my home state. And tonight, I would tell you what I'm going to do, but it depends on you guys to see how loud and crazy y'all get to show how crazy y'all get on the track.
There you go. Now, Kinsley, I understand that you have some great sponsors and folks behind that Lady Luck truck that help you run up and down the road every single weekend. What kind of magic goes into that Lady Luck truck?
The magic that goes in the truck, I want to thank some people. I want to thank my dad and my grandpa for helping me get this truck ready for this weekend. I want to thank Team Kid KJ. I want to thank Rapids Fleet Service, and I want to thank my brand new sponsor for the 2026 season, Shop Angry Duck Graphics.
Well, there you go. Monster Truck fans, do we have any Lady Luck fans in the crowd today? How about that? Well, now it's time to talk to the last mini of the day. I'm talking, of course, about my man Garrett, the driver of Mini Stinger. Now, Garrett, here's the thing, man. That 15th anniversary celebration that your brother CJ's got going on, you're a part of that too, driving the Stinger truck. How awesome is it, man? 15 years. How cool is that?
Yeah, it's amazing coming out and being a part of the legacy, and I'm just out here trying to make my dad and my brother proud.
Well, there you go. Now, just like Kinsley, you have some great sponsors and folks behind you that make that Mini Stinger truck run every weekend. What kind of, who are some of the people that you got your back?
Yeah, 717 Wraps and Vinyls, Wayne's Towing and Recovery, the metal shop for building this awesome truck for me, and it's really durable and it goes through a lot. And I do it all for you fans. My dad, my brother, Art, Andy, Trey for building my body, a bunch of really amazing people to help and keep this truck running every weekend.
That is awesome. Now, I understand that we're going to have a free autograph session at the show for all these fans, man. How cool would it be to see each and every one of these fans in that merchandise trailer, I can't talk today, after the show's over?
Yeah, it's amazing. The track's a little bit muddy, but I'm going to do what I can for you fans. It's going to be amazing if you guys can go out and buy some merch to keep us on the road every weekend. It's amazing seeing and signing for all you fans out there.
Now, one last question, man. What kind of things can these fans expect on this track today? And do you have anything else left to say to these awesome fans here in Fishersville?
Some big air and some wheelies, that's about it. I'm going to try some new stuff if I can, but it's a little bit muddy, so I'll do what I can.
Got anything left to say to these awesome fans here in Fishersville?
Fishersville, are you ready? No. I've been to Virginia a bunch. I know you guys can get louder than that. I said Virginia, are you ready?
How about a monster truck fans for your Wayne's Towing and Recovery mini monster trucks?
motorcycle motors in them. A lot of power in there, four-wheel drive, and they are just absolutely beast out there. And it's really nice everything. But the only thing is they have about 16 inches of travel along the shop, so you don't have to put 30 inches. It's a tough landing in these trucks, huh? Very tough landing in these trucks here, but that's what happens when you're young, I guess.
I wish I was young.
Motorcycle motors in them. A lot of power in there. Last year, that was a heck of a debut, wasn't it? She was last year, this year, my friend. And they want to get better with time.